on your own, that the world will validate you, that your methodologies are right.
Bro,
My Baba, so you know what? I am talking about the lexical statistical analysis of the Anioma people. If you read Bender Samuel 91, K. Williamson 1963, and other historical linguists, you will discover from their analysis that we belong to the Igbo language group. So I'm not talking anecdotally, I'm talking based on statistical facts.
Okay.
So if you say that what I'm saying is not correct, I want you to bring your archaeological findings, publish them in scientific journals so that it will be validated. Then we can come to the table to talk. But for now, what I'm telling you is the true position and the scholarly position backed by statistics. I thank you very much.
Mommy, you are from Kwale?
Yes, so I'm from Ndokwa West. Ukwuani. Okay. Mama Mbonya Abia Charanoba. Papa Mbonye Mwol, you know. And in the union
they say Kwale people are Beni people.
Let me tell you, the thing that people don't know is that people tell history from what they were told. That time it was based on oral tradition. So but now I'm talking about scientific findings. So when somebody tells you oral history, you have to retell history, particularly when you have superior evidence. So I'm evidence-based. My narrative is evidence-based. They are not anecdotal. So those were told through oral tradition, what people told us. Now findings have shown to the contrary. And it's very obvious. My second name is Odozi. So what does it mean? Is it a Bini word?
No.
So what are you talking about? Okay, if you say your name is Chukudi, Kobuchi, Kakobo, Bini word. Let us, yes, Kobo, anything Ikwani, Ikwani. What would say your second name, F-Okwani, Ikwan, between you and your God, Drenwe, Obshifi Nekubejoku.
So Ukwani Buibo.
Ukwani Buibo, Sancha, let me tell you, my dear brother. Ere Ukwani, Chinini, the Bender Samuel 1991, go and read him, the Niger Delta languages. He talked about the Igbo group, let me use that word. So you have Ukwani, Ika, Eche, Ekpeye, Ikwere, all of them are genetically related. Yeah. They are genetically related. Nobody should tell you to the contrary. Please, let us stop playing politics with reality so that we don't teach our children what is wrong, so that they don't go to global stage and talk
mess themselves up.
Yes, talk ignorantly. They should talk from, look, I was taught by K. Williamson. K. Williamson taught me how to write my language. I developed the phonetic chart, the consonant chart, both the phonetic and phonemic chart. I developed the vowel chart. And I wrote my first degree long essay in Ukwuani. I defended it. And go and read the Igboids. Go and read Igbo grammar by late Emmanuel Nolwe Emenanjo. What are you talking about? Yes. So forget about the people who are talking. They are saying what they were told. I am talking as a scholar. So now if you have something contrary, please bring it up and let us have a debate. And let me tell you, if you want to counter what we have done, now go and get archaeologists. Go and get linguists. Let us sit and talk. Let's stop talking. We are in the 21st century. We are in a knowledge economy. Let's not display, let's not advertise our ignorance. Please, my parents sent me to school, and it's for a time like this. I didn't know a time like this was going to come.
Exactly.
So it was by destiny, it was divine design that I studied that course in my first degree. And I'm very much proud of it. Let me tell you, I was the best graduating student. Go to University of Port Harcourt convocation brochure. So you know what? I am not talking ignorantly. I have been validated. I finished my first degree in 1991, and I was the best graduating student. Thank you very much.